Hello guys, D-Rays here. In this video we're going to see how to calculate limits by factoring inside the radical. In the first example here, if we plug infinity, we got infinity over infinity, which is indeterminate. So we're gonna start by factoring out x squared and then take it out of the radical to be simplified with this one. So it's the limit x approaching positive infinity square root of x squared factor 2 plus x over x squared, which is 1 over x, plus 4 over x squared all over x. Now since x is positive, the square root of x squared is x. So it's x square root of 2 plus 1 over x, 4 over x squared all over x. Simplify by x and we're left with this. If we plug infinity, what's the limit? If you plug infinity, you get 0 here and 0 here, so it's the square root of 2. In the second example, we have the limit in negative infinity. If we plug it in, we get positive infinity. Square root of positive infinity is positive infinity plus negative infinity, which is also undefined. So we might think that we could use multiplying by the conjugate, but since we have here a coefficient 4, if we factor out by x squared, it will go out and we're left with the square root of 4, which is 2. This, when divided by x squared, will cancel, will go to 0. And when factoring by 1 by x, we shall have 1 here. 1 is different from the square root of 4. So the factoring method here will work. And there's no need to multiply by the conjugates. X squared times 4 minus 1 over x plus 2 over x squared under the radical and plus x outside. Limits negative infinity. So it's the limit x goes to negative infinity. Now we gotta be careful taking out x squared out. So it's minus x because x is negative. So it's minus x 4 minus 1 over x plus 2 over x squared plus x. And it's the limit in negative infinity. Here I shall have a common factor here, which is x times the minus this plus 1. because I took the x out. Now I will have no problem plugging minus infinity, because this goes to 0 and this goes to 0. Square root of 4 is 2, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and the minus infinity here, so it's okay. It's the a plug infinity, it's minus infinity, and here times minus 1, because here a is minus 2, plus 1 is minus 1, minus times minus is plus, so it's positive infinity. Thank you for watching, and see you next.